What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to recover deleted TikTok videos. If you've accidentally deleted a video or just can't find it on TikTok anymore, don't worry, there are two methods to help you get it back. First, let's check if the video was saved to your device's gallery. When you upload a video to TikTok, the app often saves a copy to your gallery automatically if you have the Save Video option enabled during the upload process. Alternatively, you may have saved the video manually from TikTok. To confirm, open the Photos or Gallery app on your phone and search for the video. TikTok videos saved to your gallery will usually have a TikTok watermark on them, making them easy to spot. If the video is there, you're all set. You can re-upload it to TikTok, share it on other platforms, or store it safely for future use. If the video isn't in your gallery, the next step is to download your data directly from TikTok. To do this, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to access the Settings and Privacy menu. From here, select Account at the top and scroll down to find the Download Your Data option. Tap on it and TikTok will give you the option to request all of your data. This includes videos stored on TikTok servers, even ones you may have deleted from your account. Once you've submitted the request, TikTok will prepare your data. It usually takes a day or a few days for the process to complete. When it's ready, return to the same Download Your Data section, and you will see the option to download data. Tap on it, and the file will include your videos along with other account information. Save the file to your device and access the recovered videos from there. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.